Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the second part of MCQ questions on accounting. Last time we are discussed 20 MCQ questions on accounting. So that is first part. Today is the second part. We are discussing another 20 questions on MCQ questions on accounting. So I will request all the viewers to subscribe the channel because it is noted that only 6% of the viewers are subscribed. Remaining 94% viewers are not subscribed. So subscription is free. So please subscribe the channel. So question number 21st. Preparation of trial balance helps. First, locating errors of complete omission. B. Locating errors of principal. C. Locating the errors of commission. D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. Question number 22. Trial balance is A. An account. B. An statement. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The correct answer is an statement. So trial balance is an statement. 23rd question. Trial balance is prepared from which book? A. Journal. B. Cash book. C. Ledger. D. None of the above. So the correct answer is ledger. Trial balance is prepared with the help of closing balances of ledgers. Question number 24. Depreciation according to straight line method is calculated on opening balance, closing balance, original cost, market value. The correct answer is original cost. Under straight line method, the amount of depreciation is calculated on original cost for all the years. Question number 25. In straight line method, the depreciation dash dash every year. Depreciation A increases, B decreases, C constant, D none of the above. The correct answer is constant. Under straight line method, the amount of depreciation charged to every year is same because it is calculated on original value or original amount. Question number 26. According to diminishing balance method, depreciation is charged on dash dash assets. Original cost, B. A written down value, C. Market value, D. Average cost. So the correct answer is written down value. Diminishing balance is also called as a written down value method. The amount of depreciation is charged on a written down value of the asset. Question number 27. Depreciation is calculated on dash dash of assets. A. Cost price, B. Market price, C. Book price, D. Invoice price. The correct answer is depreciation is calculated on book price of assets. Question number 28. Depreciation is calculated on A. Fixed assets, B. Current assets, C. Fictitious assets, D. All the above. The correct answer is fixed assets. A. Fixed assets. The amount of depreciation is calculated on fixed assets. Question number 29. The basic function of financial accounting is A. To record all the business transactions, B. To interpret data, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is to record all the business transactions which are related to business. Question number 30. Limitation of financial accounting includes A. It records only monetary transactions. B. It records only non-monetary transactions. C. It may be manipulated. D. Both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. Answer is D. A. Both A and C. It means It records only monetary transaction. It does not consider non-monetary transactions, which are also important, and it may be manipulated. Question number 31. The purpose of financial accounting is to provide information for A. Fixing the prices, B. Controlling the cost, C. Controlling wastage and losses, D. Assessing the profitability and financial position. The correct answer is assessing the profitability and financial position. Question number 32. Accounting records are A. Financial aspects of business, B. Economic aspects of business, C. Qualitative and quantitative aspects of business, D. All the above. The correct answer is C. Accounting records all qualitative and quantitative aspects of business. Question number 33. Preparation of financial statement is governed by A. Company Act, Indian Company Act 1956, B. Partnership Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932, C. GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles or Practices, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Question number 34. Financial statements are prepared mainly for A. Internal use, B. External use, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is both C. Both A and B. The financial statements are prepared mainly for internal as well as external use. Question number 35. Trading account is prepared to know A. Gross profit, B. Gross loss, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is trading account is prepared to know the gross profit or gross loss. Question number 36. Profit and loss account is prepared to know A. Gross profit and loss, B. Net profit and loss, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is profit and loss account is prepared to know net profit or net loss. 37. Balance sheet is prepared to know A. Exact financial position of the business, to know the gross profit, to know the net profit, all the above. The correct answer is balance sheet is prepared to know the exact financial position of the business on that particular day. Question number 38. Financial statements are mainly help in assumption of economic events, B. Anticipation of economic events, C. Recording of economic events, D. Communication of economic events. The correct answer is communication of economic events. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a financial statement? A. Profit and loss account, B. Profit and loss appropriation account, C. Balance sheet, and D. Trial balance. So trial balance is not a financial statement. The correct answer is D. Last question, question number 40. Which of the following financial statement shows the financial position of business at a specific date? Balance sheet, A. Balance sheet, B. Income statement, C. Cash flow statement, D. Trading and profit and loss account. The correct answer is A. Balance sheet. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel, so that will help for me as well as you. Please subscribe the channel. I request once again all the viewers to subscribe the channel so that it is beneficial for me as well as you. Thank you.